Good morning, Divergence traders. How y'all doing today? I hope you're all doing good. It was a very, very tricky morning for me today. And where's the trick? The trick is right fucking here. This is the trick. The trick of fake outs. Yeah. Boy, did I get hammered in there. I was only selling, of course, because the Divergence told me to sell. So I was selling in here. They'd take it back up here. I'd go, you fookers. I'd get out. And I sold again. Then they took it up again. I'd get out. And then they sold it down to here, and I said, and I stuck with it. And it went against me way up here. But once it broke through this line of defense, as I'll say, the army guys were standing there, and they're saying, no, you're not going. They're saying, you're not going down. But it broke through, and we took it down. This is the 2-minute NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? We had a beautiful trade here. Beautiful trade. And I didn't trade it because it was before the open. Oh, yeah, of course. Of course. It's not a can't be, it's a of course. So, why did I grab that? I already did that. Excuse me. See, I had another senior aluminum moment. I am so sorry. Okay? This is what I meant to do, but somehow my mind got distracted. So right here to right there, max potential is 190 ticks. Okay? If you want to make the argument that it was like a double bottom right there, okay? You don't need to put in the initial blast down or the wicks, the wicks from the fucking pin bars. That's at least that's the way I draw it and see it these days. Okay, and right here to right here, that's divergence. So just let me remove that box. It's kind of discoloring our chart, isn't it? Oh, look, they're pushing it. Oh, right to the pivot. Right to the main pivot of the day, ladies and gentlemen. It just smacked it. All right. Okay. So the next motherfucking trade was up here. It's like double top, triple top, quadruple top, whatever you want to call it. Something like that. And you got to look down here and go, oh, like this. Okay. So you would have sold it right in there, ladies and gentlemen. I know it would have been very difficult to enter this trade, after it did this shit. Like I told you in other videos, if you can avoid the first half an hour when they do that, or when you see them doing this, just go, oh, okay, hands off. Hands off. Don't touch the fucking mouse. Don't touch the button pusher. Okay? Pushing, no buttons. Okay? Yeah. Tell me that. Look what I did today. I made money today. I got it. I got short in here and rode it all the way down, right? Yeah, right to here. I got out right fucking there on the tip. I know you don't believe me. But that's where I got out, and I got in here somewhere up there. And then I just said, okay, no more. And it rallied up, and then it came back down, went to another new low, up, then now they're chopping us up down here. See, there was a box up here of chop, and now there's a box down here of chop. Yeah, the bastards. Anyway, let's just see what the potential was from here to here. Only 202 tickers, eh? Not much movement today. Okay, that's the trades for the NASDAQ. Well, hold on. No, we have another one. We have a whole bunch more. If you were going to buy dips on the way up, you would, here is a lower close, buy it, up it goes, and yeah. And over here, there was a higher close, sell it, down it goes, along with the entry from the easy to see bearish divergence from up here. You can see that I drew the line on the OSMA pointing down, meaning the price would come down. Okay? Okay. It's the same thing up here also. We did a double top, knew the price, and drawing the OSMA, it's pointing down, see? Meaning the price would go down, which it did. It's just, it's just amazing. I don't know. I seem to baffle my aluminum brain here. Seeing this every day, it just blows my fucking mind. Anyway, let's move on now to that was the Nasr. We're going to slide in the S&P. Does it look familiar to the NASDAQ? I would say it does. Okay. Oh, don't put your tool back there, Jason. You tool. Put it here so it's easier to grab them. Okay. Higher high. And lower high, which is easy to see bearish divergence. Okay. See what it got short in there and down it went. Then we had what I call hard to see bearish divergence, but it's known as hidden divergence, okay? Right from this mountain peak down here, Mount Everest, right to there. Boom. Okay? Because it's hidden divergence, hard to see divergence, it's not going to cooperate with the OSMA in which way it's pointing. You can only do that with the higher high trades or the double top trades or the lower low trades and the double bottom trades. Okay? Okay. I definitely didn't have an aluminum moment there. I knew what I was talking about. Okay. So we had the hidden divergence here. Okay? And the entry on this trade was right here. Okay? And down it went. Yes. It had some higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. It had a couple of those too. Oh yes, oh yes, right there. Sell it on the opening of that candle, boom, and down it goes. Now one more, we'll put one more on the chart. Higher close right here. Sell it, and down it goes. Isn't that freaking beautiful? Just like a beautiful redhead with green eyes. Oh yeah, baby. It is. Okay. Now, we got to go and look at the MetaTrader now. I don't like so much looking at that. I do and I don't. Okay, let's slide it over. Well, first we'll put it on the NASDAQ. We'll see how good or how ugly it's going to look. Okay. On the 5-minute, we have basically a double top, okay? Now I start yawning. Every day, same time, I start yawning. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Okay. You would have got short right there, and it went straight down like it did on the Ninja Trader. I got out right here. Okay. Anyway, went down. This is NASDAQ, so it went down 60, 66, 67 pips, or points, I mean. 67 points. Now, that's all I see here. That's enough. We got to move on here and remove these lines from yesterday. And did we have divergence? Oh, yeah, we did. Right there. And right there. We had divergence. Just like that. It is what it is. It's divergence. Definitely is, ladies and gents. Okay? It would have got short here and it went down, you know, 7 points. This is the S&P, so it went down 7 points. Okay, but then we had something very beautiful on the chart. Very beautiful. We had a hook down. Here's the buy fake, and then they smacked it right back down and closed below the 5 and the 7, which told us that's a hook down. You would have got short right here, and down it goes 10 or 11 points or something. If you took it to the bottom, went down 15 points, okay? And there's no more trades down here. Why? Because it's below the mid-range in here, and it's way the fuck down here. You don't sell at the bottom, you sell near the top. You don't buy, you don't buy at the top, you know. I'm getting confused here. Anyway, just like down here, you don't sell down here, you buy it. Why? Because it came down lower and lower. So you buy from the low, you sell from the high, and that's it. And somehow, every time I talk about something, I'm not just saying you do it, I do it too. You know, somehow, at times you get into a trade and you might lose, or then you get into another trade and it's not looking good, and you know, all these scenarios. When you're in a trade, like, the pressure's on, the stress is flaring, you know what I mean, and it causes you to not look at the chart properly, and you get disillusioned, and you go and you do something that you shouldn't fucking do. I do it too. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. It is. That's why the most important thing, every time that I wait and I wait and I wait for the setup, get in exactly where you're supposed to get in, okay? It works most of the time. It's good. But if you do a couple trades, a couple losers, and then you're trying to get your money back, and it's like, holy fuck, like I said, you do things, you see things on the chart that aren't there. And I do that myself too, 100%, okay? So I'm not just like picking on you guys and say, oh, you're stupid traders and blah, blah, blah. I do it myself, and so do other people. It's a really crazy thing. Trading is a very, very crazy thing. Very fucking crazy, man. Very crazy. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? That's enough for this chart. You don't do nothing down here. You let all the risk takers try and trade this, or professional traders, I don't know, but it's not me. I like to trade from up here, and I usually like shorting the market. I'm a seller. I'm not a buyer. Even though the market goes up, you know, it ends up higher on days most of the time. And if you go look at the fucking weekly, monthly chart, you'll see it went up, went up, went up, and up, and up. It didn't stop. You know what I'm saying? It just keeps going up. It's like, go look at the monthly chart from 2008, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, let's get on with this here. Quit blabbering, Jason. Okay, so here is the trade. Right there. and you would have sold right there, and it was a beautiful thing. And you would have sold right there. Beautiful thing. I don't know if you'd want to do this one, but if you're a risk taker, you could have, sell it right there. There's the trades. Divergence at the top. It's like a triple top or something up there. Sell, down it goes. Here's a higher close, sell, down it goes. Higher close, sell, down it goes. There you have it. And down here, you don't trade down there. You want to trade always from the top, near the top, not the top, near the top. You want to sell short near the top. You want to buy long near the bottom, but not at the bottom. I know, I've been saying that for a while, but it's true. If you find yourself selling way the fuck down here, not that it won't work out for you. It could work out. You got to tell yourself first, if I try and do a trade down here, it could be a mistake. Okay? But if you're selling from way up here, that's okay. Because you're selling high and if you did a trade from down here, well, you got to buy. That's it. Okay, let's look at the pound now. So we're looking at the 15-minute. Oh, my stomach's calling to me. Feed me, feed me. The alien. I call the stomach the alien. It's a fucking alien. Look at it. It can digest fucking alley cat. Holy fuck. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There. Something like that. There's the two suckers right there. There's the two trades. Yeah, something like that. Actually, I just need to bring it up to a couple more there, like that. See, that's divergence, baby. That's divergence. Okay, what we got? Oh, wrong arrow. We'll just put that one up there. And we'll put this one there instead. That's it. Buy low, sell near the high. See that? You're buying right here, near the low, not at the low. And see up here, we're selling near the top, but not at the top. But you know what the most beautiful thing is, and I haven't mentioned it for a while, is if you did this trade and you bought right in here, let me ask you one question. Did it turn around and come back here and hit your stop? Because your stop is always at the closest swing low in a buy scenario, okay? And always your stop, if you're selling, near the high, like I just said, and your stop is right here at the closest swing high. This is where your stop goes, okay? Let me ask you, when you sold short in here, did it come back and get your stop right here? No, it kept coming down and down and down, down, down. Isn't that fucking amazing? And there's a reason for it. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And the reason is because just before it gave you this setup, okay, they took out the stops. Yeah, that's what they did. No, can't be. Yeah, they did. They did. Are you sure? Can't be. No, I'm sure. Right here. They took out the stops. And then it finally gave us... Well, actually, hold on. Right here would have been the first entry, actually, if you happen to get in a little early right here because the 5 crossed up. So, yes. Here's one that hit the stop right here, okay? But still, would you be brave enough to get in it again if it still looks good? And it would give you back your losses plus profits, okay? Now, up here, it didn't do that. It didn't give the trade until right there. Why? Because we need clarification that the 5 crosses down below the 7. You see the 5 crossed up here above the 7, see? So if you would have got in here, yes, here's one rare case. It came back and they got your stop by a couple of ticks. You see that? Or a couple of pips is the pound dollar. So anyway, but majority of the time, if you look for the divergence, 8 times out of 10, no, I'm not a financial advisor, you'll get in and it won't come back to your stop. It'll just keep going and going and going. And that's it. Okay, move on, Jason. Euro. Okay. Euro has some nice trades today too. 5 minute. Okay. Oh. There's one here. Higher highs, sell it, down it goes. Okay? There. That's enough showing there. We got to move on here. I got to get going here soon. Okay. We have a double or got to delete these every day. You can't pick them up and reuse them. They go wacko. They're like a jumping bean. They don't work. Okay. Where is this trade? Yeah, right here. So you would have got long right in there, and it worked out for you. Then we had a high retracement, higher high. And you know what that is. And see right down here? Beautiful. That's standing out at you like a sore thumb. And you would have got short in there. Beautiful, see? And we have one, I'll just put it on for you. Why not? Hey, why not? One higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? Let's move on. Pound yen now. Oh, 15 minute. Oh, look at this fucking shit here. Consolidation crap. Go to the 5 minute. Double top right up there. And there it is. And see how it's pointing down on the OSMA? Pointing down, meaning the price is going to go down. And that's exactly what it did. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And that's it for that. Now the euro yen, we'll go to the 5 minute today. Yesterday we're in the 15 minute. It's basically the same thing, like right here. It's like it's a double top, man. You gotta trust me. Trust me, I used to be a used car salesman. I used to sell Fords. Lemons. They're not lemons today, though. Ford makes good cars and trucks today. But back then, no, not good. They had one car used to blow up if you fucking rear-ended it. They called it a Pinto. It was funny. Actually, it wasn't funny for some, I guess. They didn't get out of the car before it blew up. There's the double top. There's the sell. Down it goes. Okay? Cool. Let's look at oil now. Oh, oil was scratchy. Ugly. There's no divergence down here to buy it. There's none. It's just hell. Hell on wheels. It's hell. Look at it. Fuck. It's just awful. And then what about gold today? Oh, yeah. I totally give up on gold. I don't want to trade it. It's just awful. I can't read the tape, as they say. I can't read what it's doing. I don't know what it is, but I can't figure it out, so I stay with the NASDAQ, man. The NASDAQ's the king. Okay, but anyway, we do have divergence here. High, higher, high. Okay? Yeah, we did have divergence for this move right here in the US New York session. Okay, this goes down to this mountain. See, it's pointing down. See, the line's pointing down. That means this price is going to go down, and that's what it's did. Why it went all the fucking way back up here so quick, I don't know. I have no clue. Okay, right here. Boom, you would have sold it. And higher close. Boom, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, boom, sell it, down it goes. Although I do not recommend selling down here. As you know, you want to sell from high. Sell high. Buy low, sell high. What about down here? No, there's no divergence down here to buy it up here. Okay? And that's it for the markets that we cover. Let's take a quick peek at Bitcoin. Sticking up there. What about XRP? Oh, it pulled back again, of course. Silver. Oh, it's staying up there strong. And Ethereum. Come on, Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum's trying to giddy up. Giddy up, Ethereum. Giddy up. It's trying to do that. Okay, so that's it for today, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And come back on Monday. I have more good stuff to show and share with you. Okay? Have a great weekend, Divergence traders. Good luck and good trading.